The first word we're going to learn of electrical appliance is the fridge, 冰箱 in Chinese. Bing is ice, 箱 is box. So this is exactly as the English word ice box for fridge. And when you are writing Bing, the left stroke here is one stroke, but the right are two separate strokes. And 箱, the upper part of 箱, this is the upper part of 箱, which means bamboo. We call this is bamboo radical. And the lower part pronounced exactly as 香, so this is the pronunciation part. Originally, many boxes are made from bamboo. Okay, 冰箱 again. 冰箱 fridge.